They told you your credit score was a reflection of your financial responsibility. They told you it was fair, unbiased, a simple number. They lied. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a weapon. A weapon used by banks, lenders, and the entire financial system to control your life, to dictate your access to housing, cars, even jobs. And they don't want you to know how easily it can be manipulated. This isn't about paying your bills on time. That's kindergarten. This is about understanding the code, the hidden algorithms, the secret levers that determine your financial fate. The system is rigged, but every rigged system has its exploits. And today, I'm exposing them. Look around. Mortgage rates are soaring. Car loans are a trap. Credit card debt is a national crisis. Why? Because they want you desperate. They want you dependent. They want you to believe you have no choice but to play by their rules. But what if you could hack the system? What if you could force your score higher, faster than they ever intended? This isn't just about improving your credit. This is about owning your credit. This is about seizing back control from the faceless corporations that profit from your financial ignorance. And the first exploit? The credit bureau loophole. They collect your data, every single transaction, every late payment, every inquiry. But they are not infallible. Errors are rampant, and every error is an opportunity. You have the legal right to challenge anything on your report, not just the obvious mistakes, the vague entries, the unverified accounts, the items that feel wrong. Send certified letters, demand proof, force them to validate every single negative mark. Most can't, and when they can't, it vanishes. Your score jumps overnight. This isn't a trick. It's a legal exploit they pray you never discover. Next, the authorized user hack. They tell you to build credit slowly. Years of responsible behavior. Nonsense. Find someone with impeccable credit, a parent, a trusted friend, and become an authorized user on their oldest, highest limit, perfect payment history credit card. Their good history instantly becomes your history. Your score skyrockets. This isn't cheating. It's leveraging existing relationships to bypass years of struggle. It's a shortcut to financial power. But here's the real game changer, the debt recycling maneuver. Forget paying off debt with cash. That's for amateurs. What if you could use debt to pay off debt, strategically, to optimize your credit utilization and accelerate your score? It sounds insane. It's not. It's how the financially elite play the game. Imagine taking out a low-interest personal loan, specifically to pay down high-interest credit card balances. Your credit utilization plummets. Your score surges. Then you aggressively pay down that low-interest loan, or even better, use a HELOC, home equity line of credit, to consolidate and accelerate. This isn't about accumulating more debt. It's about restructuring it. It's about turning toxic debt into a strategic weapon to boost your score and free up cash flow. It's a calculated risk for massive reward. This isn't for the faint of heart. This isn't for those who want to play by the rules. This is for those who are tired of being controlled, tired of being denied, tired of watching their financial future slip away because of a number. Right now, at this very moment, the power to rewrite your financial destiny is in your hands. Stop being a victim of your credit score. Become its master. Exploit the loopholes. Understand the game. And force the system to work for you. They don't want you to know these secrets. They profit from your ignorance. But knowledge is power, and action is your weapon. Are you ready to stop begging for loans and start demanding them? Are you ready to unlock the doors to housing, cars, and opportunities they've kept locked away? The clock is ticking. The window of opportunity is closing. Don't let fear or ignorance cost you your future. Watch this video, internalize these exploits, and prepare to dominate your credit. Subscribe now for more brutal truths, more actionable strategies, and join the movement of Americans taking back control. Your financial revolution starts today. The choice is yours. What will you do?